Hey, good morning. I'm Jedi from Maine Cabin Masters.
I'm Chase Morrill from Maine Cabin Masters.
Ryan Eldridge.
I'm Alex. Today we are at NELMA's headquarters down in Cumberland, Maine, and we are getting ready to throw the pine at this shed.
That shed doesn't stand a chance.
A little bit in. And then you squeeze. Okay. Good. All right. So then screw this off. Every one on each, right? I'd go bang, bang, boy, boy, boom, 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 boom. All right. So we are building a Z-back door for the front of the shed. We're using 6-inch V-match, a couple of it 6-inch V-match, so it's 6-inch center bead. But the nice thing about it, it's tongue and groove, it locks together. It's very versatile. So we'll run them this way and then do our outside perimeter with 1x4 pine and then do a V to lock it all together to keep it from warping. Yeah, so we are building the console. No, I got it. Too many pockets. WP4 and 11. Very versatile.